Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states the angel of death was dispatched to Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. When the angel of death came to him, he dealt him a slap, so his eye got plucked out. The angel of death returned to his Lord Jalla Jalaluhu and submitted, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, you have sent me to a bondsman who does not wish to die. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu replaced his eye and said, Go back again to him and ask him to place his hand on the back of an ox, and he will get a year increase in his age. Against each hair his hand covers. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam submitted, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, what will happen after that? He Jalla Jalaluhu said, Then death will come. He submitted, Then let it be now. He invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, bring me at a distance of a stone throw near the Holy Land. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, If I had been there, I would have shown you his grave beside the road below the Red Mound. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6100.